Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add MoneyPack to Cash App. First, open the Cash App and log in. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Link Banks. Here, you can connect a debit card, credit card, or a bank account. If you have a MoneyPack debit card, tap Link Debit Card and enter your card details, the card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once you enter the information, tap Link Card and your MoneyPack card will be connected to your Cash App wallet. And that's it. That's how to add MoneyPack to Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.